Is your dashboard showing pre-collision system malfunction, radar blocked, or lane departure unavailable? Don't panic. I'm going to show you how to fix and reset these warnings at home, without paying the dealer. First, quick fixes. Most lane departure and pre-collision errors happen because of dirty sensors or blocked cameras. Start by cleaning the windshield area behind the rear view mirror, where the front camera is. Then, clean the front grille or emblem, where the radar sensor is located. Make sure there are no stickers, dash cams, or tint films blocking the sensors. After cleaning, restart your car and see if the warning goes away. Next, check the battery and fuses. If the warning is still there, check your battery voltage. Low power can trigger these errors. With the engine off, your battery should read 12.4 to 12.7 volts. With the engine running, it should be around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. Also, check the fuses for the camera, radar, ABS, and ECU. Replace any blown fuses with the correct rating. Then, inspect tires, alignment, and ABS sensors. These systems rely on accurate wheel speed and tracking. Check that your tires are the correct size, evenly worn, and inflated to the recommended PSI. Inspect the ABS sensors at each wheel for dirt, damage, or loose wiring. If you recently replaced tires or suspension parts, a wheel alignment can also help. After that, scan and clear error codes. Now, use an OBD2 scanner to read the codes in these modules. ABS ESC. Lane Assist Camera. Radar Pre-Collision System. Main ECU. Write down the codes before clearing them. Many warnings are temporary and can be reset. Once you fix the cause, clear the codes, restart the engine, and check if the warning is gone. Next, perform a basic system relearn. Some cars need a relearn procedure. Park on a level surface and center the steering wheel. Turn it fully left, then fully right, and back to center. Drive straight on a clear road with visible lane markings at 40 to 80 km per hour for 10 to 20 minutes. This recalibrates the steering angle, camera, and radar systems. Finally, professional calibration. If the warnings persist, you may need an ADAS calibration. This is required if you replaced the windshield, bumper, radar, or camera. Professional calibration uses special tools to align the sensors and is often the only solution if resets don't work. So, to recap, check mark clean camera and radar sensors. Check mark check battery, fuses, tires, and ABS sensors. Check mark scan and clear error codes. Check mark perform the basic relearn procedure. Check mark get professional calibration if necessary. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your car model, year, and exact warning message. I reply to as many comments as I can to help you fix your car faster.